Welcome to our vlog. Food testing po kami again. Another set of Pinoy favorites.
Yay!
This is gonna be exciting. Titim, titim.
Do you want to try first?
This.
That's siopaw.
I want siopaw.
Okay, we'll try siopaw first.
That's right now, guys.
Yay! Go. How was it?
Good.
May palaman yan sa loob. Yan.
Oh, what's inside?
Pusa.
Good.
Joke lang.
Joke lang.
Oo, joke lang yun sa
What's inside?
pork barbecue. Dito sa Canada, it's barbecue pork bun. Yeah, it's good, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
let me try.
Yeah.
The testo.
Okay. What's the taste, Diana?
Good.
That is good. Oh. It used to be a joke in the Philippines kasi. Yung siopaw daw, may lamang kat. Pero it's a joke, you know. Joke lang. Barbecue pork bun. You like it or no?
No pork.
Oh, okay. It's okay if you don't like it. How about you? Do you like it or no?
Yes and no.
You don't like it, no?
Wait lang.
Oh, ayaw mo nung palaman.
Yes.
Oh, it's okay. Totally fine. That's all right. Which one do you want next, Dior?
I want this.
Maruya.
This.
Maruya.
Maruya.
Yeah, maruya.
What is that?
Oh, that's banana na coated sa flour. It's good
Wow,
with sugar.
It sounds good.
Oh yeah, you will eat that. Okay, let's try maruya. Nice.
Nice. We have clean hands.
Yes. Okay now. Okay, try the maruya.
Nice.
Nice. Sabi mo nga, Diana, maruya.
Maruya.
Cover your nose.
Like this.
Oh, okay.
Pardon na sa the maruya na po. Yummy.
Sarap? Gusto mo yung lasa? Okay. How about you, Diana? How's the maruya?
Maruya.
Is it good?
Good.
Oh. Oh, masarap yung maruya, di ba? Yeah. Isa yan sa mga merienda ng mga Pinoy.
Wow.
It's really good. Yay! Anong next natin? Anong gusto nyo tikman? How about you, Diana? Let Diana decide. Which one, Diana?
This.
Which one? This one? This is suman.
That's yummy.
Suman. Yeah, let's try suman.
Suman.
Yay! Sarap yan. Lalo na pag coated din siya sugar.
Wow!
Alcoden. Ang social naman ng Alcoden. Ah, sige.
Pardana right na po. Yummy. The best.
The best! Sarap ng suman, di ba? Sa Philippines, Dior, iba't ibang klase yung suman.
Pag nagpunta ato sa Philippines, but i-eat ato nito.
Yes. Masarap yan sa Philippines. Ang daming klase. Isa yan sa mga nakakabi sa Pilipinas.
Sa school din to, guys.
Nasa school din. Kaya lagi ko kasi sinasabi sa school. Sa pag morning, naalala ko kung kami ni tatay, bumibili kami sa naglalako. Yung mga nagtitinda sa street. Yeah, yung suman sa lihiya, that one is really good too.
Sarap po, guys.
Punta na tayo sa next.
Ew. What's that?
Did you fart?
No.
Gumanong ka lang.
Let's touch. Nagdanito lang siya, guys.
Oh, okay, sorry. Next, we're gonna try.
Pardana try this.
That's kamote fries.
Kamote fries.
Yeah.
Wow, fries.
Oh, yeah. Parang banana Q lang pero kamote.
Parang ito.
Yeah, parang ano ganyan lang din. Anong taste?
Dude.
Masarap?
Sarap po.
Yeah, sarap na merienda yan. The best!
Sabi.
Okay, next na tayo.
What does
Ay, teka lang.
finish this?
Okay, sige, finish mo. Sige, okay lang.
Can you buy this sa Philippines po?
Sa mga stall. Di ba maraming tindahan ng food sa Pilipinas? When we had our vacation, natatandaan mo pa? Nare-remember mo? Maraming stall ng food, di ba?
Yes, everywhere.
Oh yeah, everywhere, di ba? Oh.
Madaming food.
Yeah. Okay, next na tayo?
Yes po.
Okay.
Bread ito, no?
Ha? Bread, yeah, pandesal. Oh, doon na tayo sa sa tusok-tusok, yan oh.
Tusok-tusok.
Oh. Ano yan? Tusok-tusok sa Philippines.
Pout-pout.
Ikaw din. Sige. Wala akong nabiling squid ball, kaya shrimp ball yan.
Shrimp.
Tapos yung hawak ni Diana, kikiam.
Kikiam.
Yes.
Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. Isa-isa lang, anak. Teka lang.
Beep, beep, beep.
Not too much, though. Oh.
Too much.
Oh,
You hold it.
gross daw. What's the taste? What's the taste?
Good.
It's good. Bite it, bite.
Parties ng banana.
No, it's a dipping sauce.
Hindi ito may hilit sa dipping sauce. I'm not a fan.
Yeah, I understand that. Pero you can, if you don't want to dip it, then eat it like that. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah. Try. Kung ayaw, pero mas masarap siya ng dinidip.
But how do it taste?
Bite it. Ayaw ni Diana. Oh.
I don't want. Masarap.
Masarap?
Guys.
Masarap? Ikaw?
Pupu. Ano yan, pupu?
No, yung kikiam mukhang pupu. Does it look like your poop? Hindi naman.
Dude.
What do you need, Diana? Okay. Next tayo, ha?
That's na po tayo, guys. Wala naman. Ano ito? Yung not one day old.
Oh, yeah. Get one.
That's not 1 day old.
No, hindi yan hands, feet.
What? Hi. What in Fender family? Masarap. May bone inside.
Yeah, may bone.
Sarap yan.
Tinatayin yun pa.
O, hihimayan kayo ng daddy mo para ano.
Not one soda too.
Ayan, o. Himay ni daddy. Okay. Para lang malasahan nyo.
Daddy fight.
Okay, o.
Yay! Umaapat sa floor.
Naghugas na yan. Luto na, so it's clean. Mama cook it, so it's clean. Try.
Don't like that, guys.
You like it, Diana, or no? Yeah?
No.
No?
Yaya fam. Daddy, I want to spit it out. Ayaw to matit nito.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. If you don't like it, it's okay. Pero masarap yan, dear, oh. Tignan mo, kasama ng suka, oh. Ayan. Okay. Next natin, yung ice cream na pinapalaman sa bread. Isa yan sa mga options sa Philippines. Pag bumili ka ng... Do you remember, nag-buy ka ng dirty ice cream doon? Sa Philippines? So, it's like that. Dirty ice cream, tas pinapalaman sa bread. Yung option doon, may bread or may cone. So, ngayon, ipapatry ko sa'yo yung ice cream sa bread.
Pwede pala yun.
Yes, pwede yun. Pwede.
Teka lang.
Oh, ube!
Yeah, the best ang ube.
Paglaladay nito.
Ako maglalagay. Teka.
Si daddy na lang paglagayin mo.
Stoop.
And then, nilalagay ng ganyan.
Tapos kakainin mo siya with bread. Oh, try it.
Okay. Yes, yan.
Yummy. Yummy.
Masarap?
Sarap ito, guys.
Yeah, sa bread, di ba? Pandesal yan. Pandesal yung binili natin. So, Filipino.
But may ice cream na walang nito.
Masarap. Oh, oh, di ba?
Wow, galing nga. Kakain ka lang ganyan.
Mama, baan mo ito sa stool?
Yeah, may baon akong money, tapos bibili lang ako sa sa nagtitinda. Sa loob ng school namin may ganyan. How was it, Yang?
Yay!
Gusto niya na.
Gusto na, guys.
Very good ang baby, Di ba? Masarap na merienda yan. Pag umuwi tayo ulit, papatry ko yan sa'yo pagka may naglako ng dirty ice cream. Okay? Look at Diana.
Your face is so funny, Dad. This is one of the best, guys.
Yay! Next tayo, ha?
Ano ito? What is this, Mama? Ano to? Ayaw. Tinatain mo, Dad? Dead mo. Hi. Diba nasa Philippines ta? Ang cute mo. Pero I don't want to eat you. Nasaan ba yung mama mo? Ba't nandito sa bahay namin?
Bigay yan sa atin ni Tito JT.
Ooh, Tito JT. Saan mo ito nahuli?
Are you gonna eat it?
No.
How about you, Diana? Oh my God.
Oh no! Ano to ba naman? I don't know what to do. Baby pa yan, tinatain mo na. Oh, binabali yun, Nick.
How was it, Diana? How was it?
Dude. Naduta sa mama yan. Like this.
Oh my God.
Wala na yung head. Tingnan mo.
Wala na yung head. What's this?
Yung legs!
Rubianta. Tayo magsalita. Ano naman ito? What is this worm na may dead shop?
Ano yung Tagalog ng worm?
Bulate. Mutan bulate.
That's from chicken too. Chicken isaw.
Chicken isaw.
Yeah, chicken intestine.
Chicken intestine. Yung intestine ko sa tummy.
Yeah, sa tummy ng chicken yan.
Intestine ng chicken?
Yeah, intestine ng chicken yan. Oh.
Ganyan pala yung intestine, guys. Intestine. But then I want a lollipop. I don't want intestine. That's loob ng tummy yan. That's where our food goes. Here's my intestine. Grabe to talaga. Tinatainta ng intestine na. Ano pa naman yun isa?
Intestine din.
Intestine ni Peppa.
Yeah, intestine ni Peppa.
Dito naman naaawatay Peppa. I don't want Peppa's intestine. Peppa, tawawatay naman talaga. Ba't may laway?
Ano na Hawaii? Grabe ka?
Ito.
Basting sauce yan.
Ito laway. Yun white.
Sa pagkakaluto yan, sa pagkakagrill, yan laway. Kinok natin yan dito sa house, kaya malinis yan. It's clean.
Okay. Peppa, tawawatan talaga.
Kawawa talaga si Peppa. You know what? Para talaga siya sa food ng mga tao. Kaya it's okay. Some people eat that, some don't. So it's okay. If you don't want to eat it, it's totally fine. Hindi tayo lahat pare-pareho.
We have different taste buds.
Yeah, just like Diana. Iba kayo ni Diana. Siya kumakain siya, ikaw hindi. So it's okay. It's totally fine. You don't have to like everything.
Okay.
Right? Yes.
Thank you for your not forcing me to eat
Yeah.
them.
Oh yeah, we're not gonna force you. Kasi pagka pinilit ka namin, it's not gonna be okay. Okay, next na tayo. Magte-thank you lang muna tayo kay Tito JT for giving us the 1-day-old chick.
Thank you po, Tito JT. Huli na 1 day old.
At saka, special mention tong papaitan. Papaitan ng jeep ni JT. Yeah.
JT, the best.
Yes, the best. Jeep ni JT. Okay, last na tayo. Oh.
What's this po?
That's leche flan.
That's the flan.
Yes, that's one of, Filipino dessert din na super good. Caramel custard.
Wow.
Yeah.
Siya na po namin, guys. Dude. Sarap.
Yes, masarap talaga yung leche flan, anak. Super sarap. Ano yan sa Christmas?
Christmas?
Yeah.
Das ang sarap po ng leche flan.
Yes, it's really good. Oh, that's a big bite, dear.
Smart bababay na po kami, guys. Thank you po ulit for joining us. Most of the Filipino food are yummy.
Yes. Sarap talaga yung mga Filipino food. The best.
The best.
Yeah.
Salamat po for watching. Thank you again po, Tito JT. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yay!
Bye-bye po.
Yay!